Last question from Joen Madrazo from Davao Digital Creators. Practice lang pala yun. Pasensya na po kayo. Ang ating huling katanungan pala ay shoutout na lang kay Joen Madrazo from Davao Digital Creators. Thank you very much for your question. But ang ating huling katanungan ay galing kay Alan Sancon from Stars Photo. Ang kanyang tanong ay para kay Kim. Ang tanong ay, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo? Sorry.
Hindi ko balik kayo kay Davao Digital Creators. Anong tanong niya?
Sorry.
Mas maganda ata doon.
Tagabasa lang talaga ako. So, ang kanyang tanong ay, may times ba raw na nag-alibay ka raw na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo. Nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? Tapos all caps, please share the situation? Question mark. Double question mark. So again, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo, nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? All caps, please share the situation? Double question mark. From Alan Sancon. Hindi po sa akin. Salamat.
Alibay? Actually, mababaw lang naman ang mga ano namin ni Pao. Kasi, mahilig kasi ako sa chichirya. Tapos, yung mga damit ko kasi dito, midrib, kita chan. Tapos, minsan, binibreakfast ko yung chichirya. Babaw, no? Pero, siya kasi, sabi niya, laki ng tiyan mo. Baka chichirya mo yan eh. So minsan, parang nagka-crave ako ng chichirya, so nag-alibay ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako kumain, hindi ako chichirya. Pero may nakatabi dun sa gilid, ano to? Ha? Huli! Ganun lang kasimple. As in, hindi yan sa akin, hindi ano. Pero sa akin talaga, kasi merong mga cramps sa kuko ko eh. Ganun lang.
Tsaka pag late ka, ang dami mong alibay.
Oo eh! Pag-usapan natin!
Sa akin naman, ako, wala eh. Ako wala akong ina-alibay kay Kim kasi puro katotohanan yung sinasabi.
Hello! Thank you po! Please watch November 7.
Whether it's in a good way or kamalian ko, di ba? Parang sasabihin ko naman kung mali ako.
Maraming salamat. Kim Pao, isang hiyawan naman para sa Kim Pao. Diba? Ngayon na lang natin sila nakita ng ganito. At syempre, yung iba rin natin kasama sa cast. And before we wrap up.
Yes, alright. So before we wrap up, Aya, let's hear from the stars who brought the Alibai's biggest twists and emotions to life. So please welcome. So we invite Kim and Pao to share their final message and invitation to everyone.
To Ms. Jaja Padilla, the question is, how do you feel returning, doing a TV project? How do you prepare and adjust for your role? Again, the question was from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN.
Hi Nika, thank you for your wonderful question. Kano ba ako katagal na wala? Hindi ko naman love life. Ay, hindi, meron din. Oo. So, nakaka-excite kasi pag sinabi pa lang sa yung cast. Kay Kim pang third ko na to na, so talagang very comfortable na. Kay Pao first time. But working with actors that I get to be with, not only, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito, at least may mga characters kayo na nakaka-challenge talaga. And nasasiyahan ako kasi kay Direk Jojo nakatrabaho na siya, pero yan, first time namin, Direk on. So, very intense, iba yung masarap kasi ma-handle ng talagang magagaling na director. Dahil ako always open to learning. Yun palagi kong iniisip. Kailangan meron ka matutunan dito, meron ka ma-take home sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi yung pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pinag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotions, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set, and joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado, I'm not in touch with you, medyo may method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So napakadali din pala kapag nasa set ka, like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character. And we even say, oh, we miss Cebu when we see it. We miss our home, we miss, di ba? Ang bahay po namin ay isang resort actually. Ganun kami kayaman. Pag naiisip ko tong pamilyang to, and years from now, I will always treasure this memory. Kasi napaka-special po talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Ms. Shasha. To you, Sam Milby, how was it like taking up this kind of role in The Alibi? And taking up this kind of role also in Alibi?
Thank you for that question. More than anything, I just want to say that I'm truly honored to be part of such a beautiful cast. And more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into their role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. So with such amazing directors then giving such clear targets, thank you so much. Na this whole project para sa akin, it just became a walk in the park dahil parang nabuhay si Matthew Cabrera dahil sa mga actors sa paligid ko. So as a part, as a member of this cast, sobrang honored lang ako, super grateful, and the trust from Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, and all my cast members and my two directors. I really, really enjoyed this role. And I think in the coming episodes, you'll just see more fun from all the characters getting deeper and deeper talaga.
Thank you so much. Migs, parang nakakatakot palang mag-step sa set kasi coming into life daw eh. So kung sino man yung killer,
Yun na yun.
medyo yung script ko.
Gripping as we always see. Okay, you know what po, this is for Robbie and Angelina. I'll start off first with Angelina. Ito pong question is from Jeff Oligar TV. Hello. Considering that this is your acting or teleserye debut, how are you excited to work with some, actually, of course, one of the best, some of the best in this industry, and to be part of this big project?
Honestly, this project has been such a fulfilling experience. I'm very grateful to have worked with Kim Pao, especially that Ate Kim already worked with my mom before. When they worked with that project, they worked together in that project, she wouldn't stop talking about Ate Kim. She loved Ate Kim! And I was like, oh! The moment I worked with her, I now get it. It's a very full circle moment because she's so easy to work with. Napakagaan po yung aura ng set at ng cast. Everyone's very patient, and every single day I learn something new. So sobrang grateful din ako sa Dreamscape, sa Prime bosses, ABS-CBN bosses for this opportunity and for the trust. I feel like almost every cast here, my family has worked with. So this project has been like a very full circle moment for me, especially with Robbie, my scene partner. Because my dad has worked with his mom in plenty of movies, and they were tandems also. So.
Thank you, Angelina. Robbie?
Same question?
Yes.
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. So, sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao, and in my head I'm like, oh my goodness, it's Paolo Avellino in front of me with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na, halimbawa, magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. That was, before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge about acting that I'll surely carry on for the rest of my life. So thank you for that. And of course, with Angelina, it was a very intimidating experience, but dahil magkasama kami ni Angelina, even from workshops, lagi po kami magkasama sa mga eksena. Having a buddy there, someone beside me, is really helpful and made me much more comfortable. So, yeah.
Thank you, Angelina and Robbie.
Yeah, can I just say, I just saw the trailer. Teaser pa lang, their chemistry is undeniable.